Hey, so today I want to talk renovation loans. I'll start with the FHA options. For FHA, you have a 203K limited renovation option. That particular option allows for up to $35,000 of work, non-structural. There's not a requirement for a HUD consultant. You do have to use licensed and insured contractors, but as a FHA purchaser, which requires primary occupancy for FHA loans, that is the requirement, but you can purchase a single family property that has anywhere from 1 to 4 units and still have that 3.5% down payment requirement. Now, FHA is inherently a little bit pickier when it comes to the property condition and requirements for that. In this market that we're currently in, and just in general, a seller may not have the capability to make repairs to the property that would cause issues of getting final financing through the lender if you didn't have this particular avenue as an option to still get you to the closing table. It's also just great for folks that, need to kind of give that little extra jump and finishing touch to a property to make it move-in ready for you. That's the FHA 203K limited.